Are you on the hunt for a sedan with reliability and stylish looks that won't break the bank? Then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2016 Chrysler 300S in granite crystal metallic. With bifunction HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 37,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Beats premium audio system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5714A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.